The following is a commercial program paid for by Davinci Wealth. The opinions and views expressed belong to its sponsors and are not those of Nexstar Broadcasting, Inc., this station, or their affiliates or employees.
Planning for retirement in a time of uncertainty has left a lot of people with more questions than answers. Perhaps one of the most important aspects of your retirement plan is your tax bracket. So how will expenses associated with income taxes impact your retirement? My next guest has valuable insight. Joining us now is Darren Villardo. Darren is the founder of Davinci Wealth, a firm that focuses on preparing people for a successful retirement. He's also a popular radio show host. A lot of people wonder if a lower tax bracket is in the cards for them. Darren, what do you say to people who are trying to figure out if they can make this a reality?
Yeah, Lauren, that's a great question. We get that all the time. Obviously, taxes are so critical to a retirement plan. The reality is, yes, lower tax brackets are possible in retirement with some planning, specifically planning for tax efficiency. It's about restructuring assets, and it's about putting those pieces in place now, sooner rather than later.
Okay, true or false? We can receive retirement income from our nest egg without paying income taxes.
That is true with the caveat, if assets are properly structured, if some planning is done ahead of time. You can't wait till you're 65 or 70 to make this a reality. The pieces have to be put in place earlier, and then indeed tax-free income is possible.
I think a lot of people are under the impression that their taxes will be the same if they pay on them now or later. Is that the case?
That's false, a common misconception. And if we just put a little common sense here, Lauren, think about this. We already had tens of trillions of dollars of debt on the books, and we're adding trillions of dollars more in response to the coronavirus. It stands to reason that taxes, in my opinion, will likely have to be higher in the future just to pay for this debt, right? So by doing some restructuring, paying some tax now, I believe you can pay less tax or no tax in the future and be in a much better position.
What does this type of planning mean for your lifestyle in retirement?
Well, this is the good news, right? By doing some restructuring, by paying some additional tax now, you could pay far less tax later, which means you're going to save taxes, right? And every dollar that you spend, every dollar that you save, rather, in taxes is an additional dollar that you have to spend on your retirement dreams and your retirement lifestyle.
Okay, and a few questions about current market volatility. How can we be better prepared to deal with potential steep market declines?
Volatility is a certainty, Lauren. There's no getting away from it. As we approach retirement and through retirement, it's more important than ever to protect our assets, to protect what we've accumulated. So in retirement, we have to take steps to reduce volatility, reduce risk, and protect what we already have.
If we are taking better steps to protect our money, how do we still find growth potential?
There are various investments and products that offer two unique features. One is market growth potential, and two is protected downside risk. Growing our assets while limiting downside risk allows us to have a stress-free retirement. And you can go from constantly needing to managing your money to just enjoying it.
If someone is not working with a financial professional right now, why is that so important?
The stakes are high. Uncertainty's never been higher. Make the step, take the leap of faith, talk to an advisor. You'll be glad you did.
Thank you, Darren. You bring such a calm to it. For you at home, if you want to learn more about planning for the retirement you've been working towards, Davinci Wealth has a great offer right now. For the first 5 callers with a portfolio of $250,000 or greater, they're offering a complimentary full-blown retirement plan just for you. This will allow Darren and his team to schedule an office meeting, phone call, or video call so they can speak with you personally and provide you with a roadmap going forward. The number to call now is 501-356-3372. Again, that number is 501-356-3372.